Separate 2 strands of hair into the braider. Press the button up, the hair will rotate with the machine. After the hair rotates to a certain extent, press the button down. After the hair is twisted, use beads to fix the hair and loosen the hair to complete. Choose your favorite rope and tie a knot, more than 2. Choose 3 to 5 favorite beads and thread them into the rope. Put the rope into the rope braider. Press the button, the rope rotates with the machine. After weaving, fold the rope in half. Choose a strand of hair and snap it on with beads.